Hey, business owners! Have you heard about the latest cyber threat making waves on Facebook? Fake AI ads are being used by cyber criminals to spread malware, and it's time to get serious about protecting your company. Imagine seeing an ad for an exciting new AI tool like Kling AI that promises to create awesome images or videos. You click on it, and the next thing you know, your system is infected with a remote access Trojan, or RAT. This is exactly what happened recently, exposing over 22 million users to malware. These attackers set up counterfeit Facebook pages and ads that mimic legitimate AI tools. They lure you to a spoofed website where you're tricked into downloading a zip file. Inside that zip file, a nasty little .exe file disguised to look harmless. Once it's on your system, this malware, called pure HVNC, starts stealing your browser-stored credentials, taking screenshots of your banking activity, and even exfiltrating your data to attacker-controlled servers, all while staying hidden by using legitimate Windows processes like Caspol.exe. Impress IT Solutions in West Houston has seen enough of these scams to know how dangerous they are. They're here to help local businesses secure their systems and train their teams to spot these evolving threats. So, what are they doing to protect you? Advanced malware detection and endpoint protection, phishing and scam awareness training, email and web filtering, data backup and recovery plans, zero trust, access controls. Impress IT Solutions works with you to build a security perimeter that keeps your business safe, even when employees click on something they shouldn't. Don't let fake ads take down your business. Contact Impress IT Solutions today for a free cybersecurity checkup or phishing risk assessment. Stay safe, stay secure, and let's outsmart these cyber criminals together.